Geometry and construction, it's a class where we do more hands-on geometry and we incorporate it into making builds and stuff.
In December of last year, Corporal Ann Hutt from the Dearborn Police drone team contacted me. They were looking for a way to put pieces together for an obstacle course they have to have for their certification. To start off, it was kind of like, can we use your shop? And then as the conversation continued, it kind of turned into, well, why don't I have my geometry and construction students actually build the things that you need? And then we came up with the idea of having them do that, and then having a day like today where we could get the two groups together. The kids could fly the drones, the team could see the stuff that they made, and just kind of have a nice, good cooperation.
We 2x4s, and we'd cut them down to a specific length. And then for the targets, we used the buckets that we were given. We glued each magnet to the end of it, in the bucket and outside the bucket, so we could take them off and on the wood part of it.
And they take the geometry that they learn in class and then they apply it in the construction class. So like when they learn about slope, they learn about roofs and pitch. When they learn about rise and run, they learn how to make a stair stringer and how that all works.
So, but if you orbit around it, like if you turn and move to the right with your right finger, you can actually get all those different little buckets in there.
Geometry came much easier because I had more hands-on experience and I was able to actually put it onto something.
Our geometry and construction students were leaps and bounds ahead of the knowledge from like a regular geometry class, because it's a very well-known fact that when you take a concept that you learn about and then have a way to actually physically do it, it imprints in the brain a lot better and stays in there more than if you're just writing numbers on a piece of paper.
I like how it's hands-on, and I like how we can put the geometry into actually something we're building, so it makes more sense.
On average, students that take geometry and construction score better on the SATs than they do in any other, if they take just a regular geometry class. And they really enjoy building things. Like, I mean, who doesn't, you know?
To get it started, what you're gonna do is, nope, you're gonna push them in and then down at the same time, all right?
They enjoy the hands-on approach. They enjoy putting stuff together, being able to work with their hands, being able to see at the end of it, like, hey, I did this.
If you are more hands-on, it could be really helpful if you want to go into construction or like the architect field, something like that. It could be really helpful because you get experience from it.
What they tell me is they really enjoy it.
Hold down on that left stick and bring it all the way down. And it'll auto land for you. And we're going to cut the grass for Dearborn High. All right, good job.